How to fix Zelle error message that say, "My card is ineligible." First, ensure you're enrolling a Visa or MasterCard debit card from a U.S. bank account. Second, business debit cards, credit cards, international accounts, gift cards, and prepaid cards outside the Zelle network won't work. Third, the information entered, zip code, name, etc., must match what your bank has on file. Fourth, if there's an error, contact customer service on the card's back for verification. Fifth, some debit cards lack the capability for fast funds, so they won't work with Zelle and check if your card is fast funds enabled with your bank. Sixth, consider using a different Visa or MasterCard debit card from your bank. Alternatively, try a debit card from another bank, and debit cards linked to U.S. territories addresses aren't supported.